Subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel for accurate weather forecast and live news. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather video. For daily weather forecast and monsoon update for your city, download Skymet Weather app. Hi, this is Shivangi Anand Bharti and you're watching Skymet Monsoon Report. The monsoon trough at mean sea level now passes through Bikaner, central of well-marked low pressure area and over northeast Rajasthan and joining areas of northwest Madhya Pradesh and southwest Uttar Pradesh, Rewa, Hazaribagh, Shantiniketan and then east northeastward to Nagaland across Bangladesh and South Assam. During the last 24 hours, monsoon remained active to vigorous over east and southeast Rajasthan, west Madhya Pradesh, coastal Karnataka, Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. Active monsoon conditions prevailed over Konkan and Goa, South Madhya Maharashtra, remaining parts of Madhya Pradesh, Assam, North Punjab and parts of Jammu and Kashmir. While monsoon remained normal over parts of Bihar, West Bengal, Kerala, Vidarbha and West Uttar Pradesh. Subdued monsoon conditions were witnessed by the remaining parts of the country. Major rainfall contribution came from Chittorgarh in Rajasthan, which saw 124 mm of rain, followed by Mount Abu in Rajasthan 118 mm, Bhilwara 117 mm, Long Island 112 mm, Guna 108 mm. As on August 16th, India has received 1% more rainfall than average since the start of the monsoon season. Let us have a look at the subdivision-wise rainfall distribution. The central parts of the country at present is rain surplus by a whopping 17%, while South Peninsula is now rain surplus by 5%. Meanwhile, Northwest India along with East and Northeast India rain deficit by 9 and 15% respectively. During the next 24 hours, active monsoon conditions are likely over parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, few places of Punjab, Haryana and northeastern parts of Rajasthan, along with Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, South Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka and coastal parts of Andhra Pradesh. Normal monsoon conditions are likely to prevail over West Bengal, Sikkim, parts of Assam, eastern parts of Bihar and Jharkhand, Odisha, parts of Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu along with North Kerala. Whereas monsoon will remain subdued over remaining parts of the country. Well, that is all for now. For more updates, log on to skymetweather.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, the iOS and Android users can also download Skymet Weather app for any weather-related information.